Ever try keeping chickens and ducks in without spending a fortune on fencing? Yeah, us too. That's why today we're showing you how we built our sturdy, natural looking log fence using nothing but clear wood from our land, and it's holding up like a champ. This fence surrounds our bird yard where our farm birds get to roam, dust bathe, and talk about us behind our backs. And the best part, it's all built with our logs we already had. Cheap, durable, rustic, and kind of beautiful if we're being honest.
If you're into homesteading, backyard birds, or just love turning raw materials into something awesome, go ahead and hit that like button because you're in for a good one.
So first off, why use logs at all? Couldn't we just throw up some wire, some T-posts, and call it a day? Sure, not that there's anything wrong with that, but using logs has a few big advantages. It reuses what you already have from land clearing. It blends into landscape beautifully. It's solid, predator resistant when done right, and way more budget friendly than store-bought lumber and panels. And let's be honest, if you're homesteading, you probably already have a pile of logs just begging to be put to use. Don't waste them, stack them with purpose. Before you start hauling logs, take some time to map out your fence line. Ours is somewhat round and it measures 45 feet long and 36 across, with room for the birds to free range, space for future expansion, because let's be real, chickens are a gateway animal. We already got guineas, what's next? Who knows, maybe an emu. Some tips for you guys. Use stakes and string to outline your perimeter. Decide how tall you want it. We went with 7 feet tall. Gateway placement matters. We'll show you where we plan on putting ours. If you're already thinking about building your own, drop a comment below. With your bird count, we'd love to know what you're raising. Some folks like to peel their logs. We left our bark on for more natural look, and the birds don't seem to mind. The tools we're going to be using today are a manual post digger, a drill, some screws, some washers, a tape measure, a shovel, a leveler, a small chainsaw, and our 6-foot fence. This is where the real work and fun begins, and we have selected this log to proceed. And just like that, we have one post. It looks level to me. I don't think the chickens will mind if it's not. We dug our hole 2 feet deep and about 4 feet wide. all good.
If you're enjoying this build, go ahead and subscribe. We got more projects coming your way, from DIY coops to a beautiful garden we've been dreaming about.
Okay, real talk. Your log fence looks amazing. Now it's time for the mesh. Our bird yard is designed to keep our birds in, not keep predators out. Our birds all have individual homes which are predator proof. This is more of their playground. If you want yours to be predator proof, we recommend you go with hardwood cloth instead of chicken wire. Also, you can bury a flashing apron to prevent digging, close gaps between logs if you're stacking, and add netting or a bird wire overhead if hawks are a problem. As you can see, we ran out of chicken wire, so now we have to make a trip to Tractor Supply. So come along with me so we can get more chicken wire. It's about 20 feet that we need. So we have no door yet, however, this is where it will go. Remember we mentioned gate placement is important. You will be going into your chicken area daily, so make sure it's easy to access. Chose this side because of these two beautiful oak trees that make it a grand entrance. Our RV is right across from it, and also our future home will be fairly close as well. We love our animals and want the best for them while also looking cute and functional. And there you have it, a log fence built with our own 2 hands protecting the birds we love using the trees we cleared. That's homesteading full circle. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, give it a like. Maybe even share it with a friend who's building their own plot. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got new videos every week showing how we're building our dream homestead, one project at a time. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We appreciate every view, every comment, and every kind word. Until next time, stay rooted, stay resourceful, and keep building something real. See you. Thanks for kicking it with us.